I am welcome every death as a doorway to rebirth. I shed skins that no longer serve me, trusting the process of becoming. From pain, I extract wisdom. From loss, I find strength. My path is not easy, but it is true. I rise stronger each time I fall, because my soul remembers who I am becoming. I do not seek power, I embody it. It lives in my presence, my gaze, my silence. I move with intention, I speak with purpose, and I honor the truth no matter how deep it cuts. My strength is invincible to most, but undeniable to those who feel it. I trust myself above all else. I walk into the dark without fear. My shadows are not enemies, they are teachers. I hold space for my pain and I alchemize it into healing. I do not bypass, I feel, I process, I rise. My wounds are sacred, they are the birthplace of my power. I see what lies beneath. The truth always reveals itself to me. My intuition is sharp, my insight is pure, and I honor my inner knowing, even when others doubt. Even when the path is unclear, I trust the voice that whispers in stillness. I know what I know. My energy speaks louder than words. I am magnetic, mysterious, and unforgettable. People feel before they see me. I don't chase, I attract. What is meant for me finds its way, drawn by the gravity of my soul. I honor my presence in my silence. I let my energy do the work. My emotions are oceans, deep, wild, and wise. I do not fear intensity. I live within it. I honor every feeling without judgment. Anger, sorrow, joy, desire, each is compass. I allow them to guide me toward my truth. I feel fully, love deeply, and healed endlessly. I have died 1,000 times and I still rise. Each version of me taught me something sacred. I no longer fear the fall, for I have wings made of fire and will. My story is one of rebirth, and I will never stop evolving.